In today's video, I will teach you how to make your own custom brush in Photopea. Let's get started. Start by opening Photopea, then go to File, then New to create a new canvas. Then set the width and height based on the brush size that you want. A common size is 500 by 500 pixels for larger brushes. Now use the brush tool, pen tool, or any other tool to draw the shape that you want to turn into a brush. Remember, black areas of the shape will represent the brush strokes, and white will be transparent. Now we're going to define the custom brush. Use the rectangular marquee tool to select the shape you just created. Once the shape is selected, go to Edit, define New Brush, and here's how to use your custom brush. Hit B on your keyboard to select the brush tool. Then open the Brush Settings panel by clicking the brush icon in the top toolbar. Then scroll through the brush presets and find your custom brush. You can find it at the end of the list. Now adjust the brush size by dragging the size slider or pressing the bracket keys to increase or decrease the size. Now modify the opacity and flow to control the strength of your strokes. Then go into brush settings to adjust properties like spacing, rotation, or scattering for more dynamic effects. To save your brush set, simply go to Edit, Presets, then name your brush in the pop-up window. Custom brushes are scalable, so you can easily adjust their size without losing quality. You can also use textures and gradients when creating the brush shape to give your custom brush a more unique feel. By following these steps, you can easily create your own custom brushes and start incorporating them into your Photopea projects. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.